Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys seen my video from last week, you saw me doing a wash day with my new natural product. Now if you guys can see me using one of them, that's the shampoo I made. That's the clay shampoo, and I love how my hair feels after I wash my hair with it, and it saves me on a lot of time and take out a lot of tangles, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how I make this shampoo with just a few products to get my hair clean and to keep hydrated, healthy hair, guys. So guys, we're going to start with this African raw black soap. You're going to need a ball, you're going to need a measuring cup, and with a long bit of aloe juice. So what I'm going to do, guys, is cut a chunk of this black soap off because I'm not going to use the entire bar, as you can see. I'm going to cut that and cut it down to pieces, and I want to cut this very small pieces because I want it to dissolve quickly and I want all of it to dissolve. I don't want any bits and pieces left in the ball after it's supposed to be done. So I'm going to cut these down super tiny little pieces, and I'm going to cut off another piece, guys, because I want to measure about half a cup of black soap. So we're going to cut until we have enough. It depends how much you're making, if you choose to do the same amount or not. I'm going to pour it into this bowl, and I'm going to measure 2 cups of aloe vera juice, and I'm going to pour it in it. So cover that and leave this, guys, for 24 hours. You see how cloudy the water looks now? It's just a little soapy, but the chunks are still in it. Leave it alone for 24 hours so you can actually have liquid black soap. Now I didn't film this part, guys, but this is aloe vera gel and a little bit of olive oil, and this is what our black soap look like once it's liquefied. And if you guys can see the bits in there, I'm going to strain them out so we can make sure we get all those bits out so they don't stay in your hair when you wash it. And I'm going to use the glass jar. You can mix this in any one of the jars you want to. I'm going to add the Rhassoul clay. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Rhassoul clay in there so you can make sure it's enough to cleanse your hair. We're going to measure a cup of liquid soap to mix it in to begin with, and all you're going to do, guys, is use that tablespoon to mix it in and melt the clay and the soap together. And you're going to do this until it's pretty much melted in, and once you have that pretty soapy, you're going to add another half a cup of liquid soap, and you're going to fill that bottle with your black soap. Once you have that filled, guys, of course you're going to add your essential oils, which is rosemary, tea tree, peppermint, and lavender, and a little bit of vitamin E oil. I'm adding 2 vitamin E capsules in there to not only preserve but help to soften and heal your hair. And you're going to put it in your jar. You're done. You can put it in any bottle, give it a little shake, and your shampoo is ready to go for you to use to have long, beautiful hair, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, guys, of course subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos out. Give this video a thumbs up, leave all of your comments down below, and go over and watch my last video.